Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me a YouTube video where a person is making a star like this, but they don't talk, and I do things a little bit differently, so I'm going to do mine a little differently. I am going to take a rectangle and I'm going to just hit P, put it in the center page, and I'm going to make it black. Take away the outline, it doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to draw a perpendicular line holding down the control button. And then I'm going to get my artistic media tool, and I'm going to pick the one that has sharp ends on both ends. And I'm going to click on my line, and most of the time, you got to hit up or down and make it a little thicker, a little thinner. And we'll leave it like that. Now what's pretty important to do is go to Object and break the artistic media apart. And you'll see what's going to happen. There's a invisible line, which is our beginning line. I'm going to make that white, and then I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm actually going to extend it out a little bit, hit P, and then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Then I'm going to Control D again, and you notice it put it at 45, but I'm going to actually make it shorter, hit P, I'm going to rotate it. I'm at 180, but I'm going to just go 45 degrees. Now, instead of rotating this one, you can just Control D and mirror it. So all I did was mirror the action. It's going to mirror it from the center. So you've got that basically done. Now we need to make this, and this one's a lot better, just take an ellipse and make it white, take away the outline, hit P, go up to Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and blur that guy. Now we're going to go even further. We're going to say okay, and we go, well, it's a little bit too big. Well, you can reduce it, and then hit P. And then what you can do, you can actually take the transformation docker and make it a little bit translucent where you could see through it. And you could play around with this, for as long as you like. Go back and make it a little bit bigger. Hit P. And just play with it to your heart's content. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.